Hello everyone, I am Nipul and today I am going to tell you the very important approach towards puzzle solving. Whenever we solve the puzzles in exam, there should be some proper approach towards puzzle solving. Okay, you have to keep certain points remember while solving the puzzle. Okay, so before I start, you must focus on this puzzle solving approach efficiently so that you can crack it while solving in the exam scenario. Okay, so let us begin with it. So I'm taking the very important puzzle which is based on four variables. So let us discuss this puzzle first, then we will discuss the approach to solve it. Okay. So in this, it is given that there are five MBA students. Okay. There are five MBA students, Aman, Manish, Rohit, Sandeep, and Vinay, specializing in sales and marketing, got final campus placement in five different companies: Asian Paints, Dabur, Hindustan Unilever, ITC, and L'Oreal. Now, what you have to do while solving the puzzle, you have to study, you have to read directions properly and patiently. You have to read very carefully each and every point. Okay. Have patience while solving the direction. Please don't be in haste while reading the direction. Now, in this, it is given that there are Aman, Manish, Rohit, Sandeep, and Vinay. From this, you can conclude that there are five persons, okay, five MBA students who are specialized in sales and marketing. Now, they got final campus placement in five companies. So, as of now, there are two variables: five students and five companies. Okay, now let us proceed. Their initial job assignment has been fixed in five different cities. Now, here comes the another variable, which is cities. So, which is Bhopal, Chennai, Delhi, Mumbai, and Patna. So, this is the third variable which we have to work on it. Okay. Now, next, it is given that they are avid book readers but like different themes. Now, again, fourth variable has been introduced, that is, they are book readers. Okay, they are avid book readers. So, that is business, that the themes which they read are business and management, classic fiction, historical fiction, mystery fictions, and non-fiction. So, this is another fourth variable on which we have to work on it while solving this puzzle. So basically, from this point, we can conclude that there are four variables on which we have to work. First is five MBA students, five companies, and five cities, and five reading themes. Okay, so we have to arrange this puzzle on the basis of these four variables. So you have to study the direction set properly. Okay, don't be in haste while reading the directions. Okay. Now, let us proceed with the clues which are provided to solve this puzzle. Now, first clue is saying that Vinay got placed in Asian Paints. Second clue is saying that Aman is not. Please focus on the words not. Okay. Aman is not placed in Hindustan Unilever. Third point is Manish job location is not in Chennai and he does not like books on mystery fiction. So there are some clues related to the students, its company, its books, reading, whatever it is. Sandeep got placed at Delhi while Vinay is not placed at Mumbai. So there are some important clues which are given. On the basis of these clues, we have to make a table and arrange it properly as per the clues provided here. Okay, let us now begin the discussion based on the puzzle solving. Okay, these were the clues from A to G that we have to implement while solving the puzzle. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, these are the clues we have to implement while solving this puzzle. Okay, so let us start with it for better understanding. So I have made the table based on the four clues, that is person or students, okay, company, city, and reading. So let us focus on the students. There are five students. So that is Aman, Manish, Rohit, Sandeep, and Vinay. What I have done? First, I have listed all the five persons or students which are selected in a particular company and in a particular city and like particular reading themes. Okay. First, I have fixed the which variable I have fixed the persons, students variable Aman, Manish, Rohit, Sandeep, and Vinay. Now, let us proceed with the clues for the other three variables. Okay. Now, first clue is Vinay got placed in Asian Paints. So that is the definite information that Vinay got placed in Asian Paints. So Vinay got placed in Asian Paints. So this company is fixed. That is Asian Paints. This is fixed. Okay. This is fixed Asian Paints. Now, next clue is saying that Aman is not placed in Hindustan Unilever. Okay, so it is clear that Aman is not placed. Focus not placed. So for this, I will keep the record here in company in front of Aman that it is not placed in Hindustan Unilever. Okay, it is not placed in Hindustan Unilever. For remembrance, for retaining this information, I have kept graphical representation in front of Aman that Aman does not belong to Hindustan Unilever company. Okay. Now next is Manish job location is not in Chennai. Again, the word is not. Please be careful while confronting this word not. Okay. Manish job location is not in Chennai. So Manish is not from Chennai. That is fixed. Manish is not from Chennai. Now next is and he does not like books on mystery fiction. So it does not like mystery part, mystery reading. It does not like mystery fiction. Now next is Aman likes reading books on historical fiction. Now again we have a definite information. Aman likes books on historical fiction. So that is fixed. Historical fiction. Aman likes historical fiction and is placed either at Chennai or Patna. Now it is given that Aman belongs to either Chennai or Patna. Okay, so it could be Chennai or it could be Patna. Okay, let me write it properly. It could be from Chennai or it could be from Patna. We don't know which city is confirmed. And the student who got placed in ITC does not like mystery fiction. Guys, focus on this clue, very important clue. Who and the student who got placed in ITC does not like mystery fiction. As of now, we know that Manish was the person or student who does not like the mystery fiction. So it can be from ITC company. It can be. Okay. So I will give first preference to Manish for ITC company. I will allot ITC company to Manish. That would be my first preference because it is hinting towards that this student does not like mystery fiction. So what I will do for the sake of simplicity, I will allot ITC company to Manish because the person who is from ITC does not like mystery fiction, right? So let us proceed with it. And the student who got placed in ITC does not like mystery fiction, and his job posting is in the other city amongst Chennai or Patna. Guys, this is the very important word amongst Chennai or Patna. So, and the person who is from ITC is in the other city amongst Chennai or Patna. That means either he belongs from Chennai or Patna. We don't know which city, but does he belongs? But we have kept ITC in front of Manish, and we know that Manish does not belong to Chennai. So we can conclude that Manish will be definitely from Patna because he does not belong to Chennai. And for the sake of simplicity, I have kept ITC to understand or arrange this puzzle efficiently because ITC person does not like mystery. So I have kept this complete information in one row in front of Manish. It could be possible that ITC does not belong to Manish, but for the sake of information that the person who belongs to ITC does not like mystery, and from this we also know that Manish also does not like mystery. Okay, from this I am continuing this puzzle solving. So we know that Manish does not belong to Chennai, and the person from ITC belongs to either Chennai or Patna. So since Manish does not belong to Chennai, so that means Manish belongs to Patna or ITC person belongs to Patna only. Okay. From this clue, we can derive one more clue in front of Aman that the Aman could be from Chennai or Patna. But since Patna is fixed for Manish, then definitely Aman will belong to Chennai. So that is the information which we have kept as per the basis on the clue E. Okay, so let us now proceed. Whether it is correct or not, we will put further clues F and G. Will put F and G clues also. Will implement these two clues in this table. Okay, so let us proceed with it. The student who got praised in L'Oreal likes reading non-fiction books and is not posted at Mumbai. Okay, now it is saying that the person who got praised in L'Oreal likes non-fiction books. Okay, so we have the very important fiction and is not posted at Mumbai. Okay, so we don't know. L'Oreal could be in front of Rohit, L'Oreal could be in front of Sandeep, L'Oreal could be in front of Aman. But L'Oreal person likes non-fiction books. So Aman could not be from L'Oreal because Aman likes historical. So L'Oreal could be here in front of Rohit or in front of Sandeep. So L'Oreal could be in front of Rohit or it could be in front of Sandeep. Okay, let us move to the next clue. It is saying that the student who likes reading classic fiction is posted at Bhopal. Okay, now guys, focus on this clue also. D. Focus on this clue. Sandeep got placed at Delhi. So it is fixed that it is placed at Delhi. This is the definite clue. Okay, Sandeep got placed at Delhi, while Vinay is not placed at Mumbai. Vinay is not placed at Mumbai. Vinay is not from Mumbai. So from this D clue, what I have done C. What I have done, I have used the C clue and then I have jumped to E clue and missed D clue because there is some link because Mani's job location is not in Chennai and he does not like mystery fiction. And then the clue E is also something related to ITC person does not like mystery. So that means C and E are somewhat related to each other. So I have jumped from C to E and missed D. Now I am implementing D clue that Sandeep got placed at Delhi while Vinay is not placed at Mumbai. Vinay is not placed at Mumbai. That is fixed. Now, if you can focus with respect to city column, that Chennai, Patna, Delhi are fixed, and Mumbai cannot come in Vinay column. Oh, sorry, Vinay row. Vinay cannot. Vinay does not belong to Mumbai, so obviously Mumbai can go only for Rohit. So Mumbai will come in front of Rohit, right? Now, what you can do, you have arranged the cities Chennai, Patna, Mumbai, Delhi. Which city is left? Which city is left? The city left is, if we have read G clue, it is Bhopal. So only Bhopal is left. So Bhopal will definitely come at Vinay part. Okay. So now as per the G glue, the student who likes reading classic fiction is posted at Bhopal. So obviously Vinay would be from Bhopal and he writes what? Classic fiction. He likes what? Classic fiction. Now let us proceed with the F clue. The student who got praised in L'Oreal reads non-fiction and is not posted at Mumbai. Okay, where I can place L'Oreal? See, L'Oreal person does not belong to Mumbai. So only possible space for L'Oreal is in front of Sandeep because L'Oreal person likes reading non-fiction. So that is the non-fiction part. So that is the non-fiction part. So non-fiction will definitely come to Sandeep Row. Okay. Now the next part is L'Oreal come to non-fiction and mystery cannot come in Manish place. So mystery will go to Rohit part. Mystery fiction will go to Rohit part. Okay. Now we know that Hindustan Unilever cannot come in front of Aman. So obviously Hindustan Unilever will go to Rohit place. Okay. Rohit company would be Hindustan Unilever. And which company we are left with? We are left with which company? That is Asian Paints. We have done with it Dabur. We are left with Dabur. Dabur would be the company which belongs to Aman. Okay. So we are left with one more information, that is reading, and which is historical, mystery, non-fiction, classic, and the one which we have missed is business and management. So obviously business and management will go to reading, will go to Manish part. Okay, business and management would be the reading theme for Manish. Okay, so this is the way to approach complicated four variable puzzle. Four variable puzzle. Guys, how can I solve this puzzle? What was the very important clue which makes this puzzle complete? This was the link between C and E. So in exam scenario, you have to search for the link between the clues, which can help me to solve the puzzle efficiently in exam scenario. So I found one important clue, that is mystery fiction, and this mystery fiction, that means these two clues are interrelated somewhat, and I've taken the risk that ITC would belong to Manish, and I have continued that puzzle. Okay, so this hint got success, and this hint got success while implementing this table information, and I have reached all the company, city, and reading information completely. Okay, so this was the way to solve the puzzle. So I am repeating one very important point, that first you have to read the clues very carefully and look for, is there any connection between these clues, or these two clues, or any two or more than two clues? Then we have to take chance to implement those clues in the table first. First, we will give importance to that connectivity. Okay, we'll give importance to connectivity to solve this puzzle. Okay, then we will take another, if that connectivity doesn't work, then we will take another possibility. But 90%, 90 to 99% connectivity always get successful while implementing the information. Okay, so hope you got the way to implement the puzzle based on four variable. Okay, so as of now we have discussed the implementation of the variables, right? Now I'll proceed with the question solving. Okay, let us proceed with the question solving, problem solving. So first question is saying that first question is saying that in which company has Aman got placed? Okay, so Aman got placed. In which company Aman got placed? Aman got placed at Dabur. Okay, Aman got placed at Dabur. So our answer is option A. Okay, now next, second. Name the person who likes reading books on business and management, that we have cried. Business and management, that is Manish. Guys, can you focus one more thing, that the question is based on the Manish part, business and management. And this row was the only important part. This row was the only important part which we have to crack it for solving the entire puzzle. Once you are done with the Manish part, then remaining part is quite doable, and that is only depended on C and E connected clues. Okay, so Manish reading theme is business and management. Okay, so name the person who likes reading books on business and management. That is Manish. So this question was based on Manish part. Who among the following is posted in Patna? Okay. Who was posted in Patna? So again, the question based on Manish part. See, the connected clues C and E were the very important with respect to solving this four variable puzzle. Okay. So again, the question was based on this row only, Manish part only. So who got the posted in Patna? That is Manish. Okay. Let us move to the next part. Name the type of books the student who is placed in Mumbai likes reading. Name the type of books the student who is placed in Mumbai reading. So who was the person who placed in Mumbai? Person who placed in Mumbai was Rohit, and he likes mystery part, mystery fiction, mystery reading. Okay, so he likes mystery reading. So that is the mystery fiction. So the person who plays in Mumbai likes mystery fiction. That was the fourth option C. Fourth question, option C. Now next, if Sandeep is transferred to Rohit city and Rohit is transferred to Sandeep city, guys, focus on this word if. There is a condition which is imposed here. If Sandeep is transferred to Rohit and Rohit is transferred to Sandeep, then in which city the student who likes mystery fiction will work? Then we have to work on which student will like mystery fiction if Sandeep is transferred to Rohit and Rohit is transferred to Sandeep city. Okay, let's work on it. So it is saying that, let me take color for it. It is saying that Sandeep is transferred to Rohit city. That means Sandeep will Rohit city or Mumbai. Okay. So Sandeep will transfer to Mumbai. Sandeep will transfer to Mumbai. And Rohit will transfer to Sandeep city. That means Rohit will come to Delhi. Okay. So who would be the mystery reader now? Sandeep would be the mystery reader because the question is asking who is the mystery reader now if they exchange the cities of Rohit and Sandeep. Now Sandeep would be the mystery reader, right? So our then in which city who likes mystery fiction work? So obviously who is the mystery fiction would belong to Mumbai. The person who plays in Mumbai will be the mystery reader. So the answer would be the D option, which is Mumbai. Okay, so this was the way to handle the four variable puzzle, and oh, I hope you got the way to implement the four variable puzzle in exam scenario by connecting the clues efficiently, and you have to read the directions properly. Okay, thank you.